Hey everybody, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today's project is this Remington push mower made by MTD, and the customer just brought it in to have a tune-up done on it, and noticed this problem right off the bat. I don't know if you can see that. The back wheels are just floating up and down. And the problem is the arm is actually broken off, this arm for the adjuster. So we're going to go ahead and replace that and fix that for him. I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright guys, so to replace the arm on this rear adjuster, the rear adjustment arm, unfortunately it's not just a matter of unbolting the old one and bolting a new one back on. On this particular model, what you have to do is actually replace the entire shaft, the rear axle on this particular mower, which includes that one height adjuster. So I just so happen to have a parts machine here that I pulled out from the Horde, and it's not exactly the same, obviously. This one is also an MTD, but I believe it's I don't know what brand they have branded this, but it's an MTD deck with a Briggs engine. And here we have the rear adjuster that's actually in okay shape. It's a little rusty or whatever, but we're gonna have to replace this entire axle. Alright guys, so to do this, we're gonna have to flip the machine over, and it's actually not that bad of a job. If you take a look here how this axle is kept in, there's actually two sort of plastic tabs, one here and there, and then up here as well, same sort of thing, two plastic tabs. Alright, so what I'm gonna have to do is to pull these two tabs back at the same time, or as best I can, and in addition to that, pull up on this adjuster, at least so that it's not, move it so that it's not in a locked position here or here, for instance. You don't want it to be here because then you're just going to be trying to pull it down. So just make sure that's in a unlocked position, and then pry these apart on both sides as best you can while you're pulling on the wheel. I think it locked back in here, yeah. So there you go. And then for this bottom one, same deal. You just kind of pull these apart. There is no adjuster to have to worry about on this one. So you just pull on the shaft there while you're moving these two to the side, and that's it. So it's easy as that, guys. And I'll just go ahead and take the other one off the other lawnmower and put this one back on, and it's just the reverse. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful to some of you guys out there, and if you like the video, please smash the like button, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and the notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every week I publish a new video. Till the next project, guys, take care.